Welcome to the course. My name is Jacob Hill, and I'm very happy that you're here. This course is meant for organizations who need to understand NIST 800-171 and CMMC. It will give you the knowledge to make informed decisions as you navigate this process. Over the last several years, I've been leading the NIST 800-171 and CMMC compliance efforts at a defense contractor. I've actually spent most of my career supporting DoD, and I got my start supporting IT for the MRAP project. After that, I worked in DoD acquisitions where I had the opportunity to serve in a number of roles, including a contracting officer's representative and project officer. And when I got out of government, I helped DoD systems achieve RMF ATOs, which leads me to where I am today. This course will save you weeks, if not months of research, and I am thrilled to share what I've learned with you. As you may know, compliance with CMMC will become a requirement to win nearly any DoD contract. With that said, let's dive in. The Defense Industrial Base, or the DIB, consists of companies that support the United States Department of Defense. It's estimated that there are more than 300,000 contractors. That's a lot of companies supporting the DoD. Now, if you think about it, that's a very large attack surface for adversaries as well. Look at this article from Red River. In the article, they say that China attacked multiple defense contractors and universities. More than 614 gigabytes of data was compromised. Another article from The Guardian from 2014 indicates the Chinese compromised 9 contractor networks. Yet another article from Ars Technica states that Russian hackers compromised multiple defense contractor networks over the span of 2 years and compromised information about weapons and communication platforms. And another article from the Washington Post. This time, Chinese hackers compromised dozens of government agencies and defense contractors. From the government's perspective, this is a very big issue. They believe that the DIB has not prioritized cybersecurity appropriately. They understand that foreign nation-states target the DIB. It's much easier to target a small contractor's network than it would be to target the government's hardened network with multiple defense layers. All of these concerns center around the information on these networks. We all know that if you aggregate unclassified information, it can reveal classified information. So what's the solution? How can we prevent or even detect if there's an adversary in our networks? You've probably heard of NIST 800-171, but you may not know that it's been around for several years and was required to be implemented no later than December 31st of 2017. You also may have heard of CMMC and have many questions about it. Do I have to be assessed by a third party? Is a self-assessment sufficient? What CMMC level of certification should I pursue? Do I need to hire a consultant? There's a lot of confusion when it comes to CMMC. And then there's the CMMC accreditation body, or the Cyber AB as they're now called. And all of these acronyms like RPO, CQAP, C3PAO. We're going to go through all of this so that you can understand what it means to you and your organization. We'll see you in the next lecture.